Arpita Lamichan here with our special guest Janvi Gimire. She has been a great member of our committee. Now she is leading her EcoSoft committee as a chair.
Hi, I'm Janvi Gimire and I'm the chair of EcoSoft for TAS Assembly 2024.
So can we start now? Yes. How are you having a good interaction with all the delegates in the committee? Did you meet your expectations?
As a chair, I'm trying my best to be as friendly as possible while not forgetting the fact that I'm a chair. So I'm trying to be controlling, strict, but at the same time I'm trying to be friendly so that I can have a good impression with each and every delegate. I think that is helping me reach my expectation I had set for each and every delegate.
Do you have any feedback for TES Moon? If there are any problems or struggles you have faced, what did you do to solve them and who helped you?
Yes, since the practice session is going on, there will be issues, but I'm very grateful towards my DIAS panel as well as the logistics, the press, logistics, press, IT and the committees which have been constantly working hard for a smooth process, smooth running of TES.
As a DIAS member, if you see the delegate is facing a problem but you couldn't speak for it, how would you help them?
As far as possible, I'm trying to read the face expressions of the delegates who are not comfortable enough to speak, so that if they have any confusions that they cannot voice by themselves, I'm trying to give them a stage to speak.
How does the panel make sure that there will be no biasness or favoritism in the committee?
As far as possible, we are trying to give chance to the delegates who are raising their placards first, as well as we are trying to give chances to the delegates who have not been participating, to ensure that each and every delegate will get equal amount of chances to speak and voice their opinions.
If a delegate has spoken in any season of your committee as a DIAS member, what is your role and how would you help them?
Can you repeat?
If a delegate hasn't spoken in any session of your committee, as a DIAS member, what is your role and how would you help them?
The most we can do as the DIAS panel is give them a platform to speak. If they are not willing to speak even with a platform, we will try to encourage them. But we have been providing platform for each and every delegate in order for them to speak.
What qualities have you prioritized as a DIAS? Why do you think it is necessary to be a part of Moon?
As the DIAS, we are prioritizing research as well as logic. With research, we are trying to prioritize in prior knowledge the delegate has, together with the logic they provide in the crisis sessions, as well as we are trying to listen to their perspectives, and we are prioritizing confident and strong voice.
In the committee, when the ideas were being discussed, were there any issues in a realistic matter or the debates different in the impartial solution?
As far as possible, we are trying to create a fruitful discussion. So till now, no discussion has not reached a conclusion yet. As far as possible, we are trying to reduce any kind of disrupts that happen in the committee that could affect the conclusions that we reach.
Lastly, have there been any instance where you felt the committee dynamic were negatively affected by some personal conflicts or alliances between delegates, and how did you address them?
Discipline is one of the most prioritized aspect in EcoSoft. As far as possible, we have not let any delegates violate the rules that would cause any sort of private or personal arguments in the committee that would affect the committee. So we have been prioritizing discipline.
Thank you.